we are in Athens. We're going to go and do a city walk. Looking forward to learning a little bit about Athens and checking out some of the sites.
It's the last weekend in October, so it's like the shoulder season. But I'm pretty sure in the heat of the summer, this place is like packed. I'm kind of happy that we're here now. It's chill. The other good thing about coming in the off season, like shoulder season, is in November the prices go down. They're like half price, and it's like the last weekend in October right now. So we're waiting, but it's right there.
I was reading that this area is going to be a lot nicer than the area we're staying in. And it's true. We're staying south of the Acropolis, and this is east of the Acropolis, and this area is just a lot nicer. A lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, very pedestrian friendly, really cool stuff. So if you're here, definitely check out the Plata region.
We made our way through the Plaza to Syntagma Square. It's a pleasant place today, with ample shade and a few street musicians playing music. But in 1843, a crowd gathered here demanding Greece's first constitution from King Otto. Their demands were met, and this place was renamed Syntagma Square, or Constitution Square in English. Just across the street is the tomb of the unknown soldier, guarded by the Evzones guards. If you arrive on the hour, you'll also get to witness the elaborate changing of the guard. It's mesmerizing to watch.
So, what'd you think?
It's very impressive, but it does remind me of a specific Monty Python sketch.
It does. So in their winter uniform, their skirts have 400 pleats to represent the 400 years of Ottoman rule, which is they're clearly very upset about. So.
Continuing down the pedestrian-only Ermuz Street, you can find every major international brand imaginable. It's clearly a shopping mecca, but in the center of it all sits a medieval church, the Church of Kapnakaria. There wasn't any photography allowed inside, but it's worth a look. It's such an odd merging of old and new to be standing inside what's normally a quiet place and hear the modern music blasting away from the stores and street performers outside. If you like churches, there are plenty to find in Athens. Although this one might look exactly like the last one, if you look a little closer, you'll find some more interesting details. We've been to a lot of these churches, and most of the time it's like a complete demolishing of paganistic practices or like other religions, but this one was just collected from like parts of old buildings, including pagan buildings, so you actually have like pagan sculptures in the walls of the church. It's cool. And it's smaller, it's like less like intimidating. I like that. In the center of this cathedral square is a statue of Archbishop Damaskinos, who, during the Nazi occupation of Greece, was one of the rare Christian leaders who spoke out on behalf of the persecuted Jews. The statue was erected by the Jewish community as a show of thanks. Moving onward, we pass through the Arch of Hadrian to see the Temple of Olympian Zeus. Completed during the Roman period, the temple was renowned as the largest temple in Greece and housed one of the largest statues in the ancient world. It may not look like much now, but it was actually twice the size of the Parthenon. So nice at sunset. I'm not sure if we're going the right way. Like, the guide said, go up all the stairs, and now it just kind of looks like we're going to someone's house. Let's see if we're going to someone's house. We reached the Roman Forum after sunset. The Romans conquered the Greeks around 150 BC, but Roman culture was still highly influenced by the Greeks. Greek philosophy, science, art, theater. Greek culture was, in many ways, far more advanced than that of the Roman culture.
So we've come back from a day of touring the city of Athens.
I feel like we really saw a lot of the city. The weather was perfect. End of October, beginning of November is a really nice time to be here in Athens.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see and want some more, please like and subscribe.